Shipment shortcodes in workflow automation. Keeping customers updated after a purchase shouldn't take extra effort. We've added new shipment shortcodes to workflow automation in AiTrillion to make post-purchase communication easier than ever. You can now use new shipment shortcodes directly inside your workflows. Shipping shipment status, shipping tracking company, shipping tracking number, shipping tracking URL. These are available under the order fulfillment trigger, so you can send real-time shipment and tracking updates automatically. No manual updates, no delays, just timely information that keeps your customers informed at every step. Here's how it helps you deliver a better post-purchase experience. Share accurate tracking details the moment an order is fulfilled and build stronger trust with every shipment. Reduce the number of "where is my order" queries by giving customers the answers before they even ask. Use these shortcodes across email, SMS, and WhatsApp to keep your messaging consistent across every channel. Personalize each update with the right tracking information so every message feels relevant and reliable. Improve your post-purchase experience, boost customer satisfaction, and turn every shipment into a chance to engage. Everything is more automated, more accurate, and built to deliver a smoother customer journey.